evolved considerably since the past decades and is now being employed in numerous industries to cater to human needs and solve various real-world problems. Architecture industry is no exception, and with the advancement in printing technology, 3D printing has opened numerous possibilities for designers and has provided us with revolutionary methods of construction. An experimental viability study on 3D printed light fixtures in Pakistan will discuss how it can be incorporated into the design and construction processes of buildings. The construction industry in Pakistan is advancing but at a very slow pace. Our market is somewhat outdated. If we specifically talk about light fixtures, the same old designs that have been circulating since the last 40 years are still present. Therefore, if we can incorporate 3D printing into lighting design and manufacture, we can make customized light fixtures according to the needs and preferences of the users. And with the help of computer-aided design softwares, we can create complex designs and forms that can be 3D printed whenever and wherever and in the exact amount required.